All right. So Scott Bauer, what names do you like? And again, you want to talk about a stock that has been up in a down market today. Again, the names like GameStop and AMC are getting absolute, unbelievable attention. But there've got to be some other names that you feel are really high quality that people are ignoring. And that's precisely when you want to snatch them.
There are, Liz, and I believe with the same kind of methodology that Kenny was just talking about. My number one is Chewy, okay? And we can look at Chewy. They don't have positive earnings yet, right? It's absolutely been completely vertical, but it's on the cheap now compared to where it was just a couple weeks ago. And this $100-ish level to me is a really important level. I love it here. This is a stock, this is a name, a company that after we reopen down the road is still going to be number one in its class. It has the name brand to it. So I love Chewy on the pullback here. Number two, I love Microsoft here. Here's why. For about the last 6 months, Microsoft traded in a very, very tight range, almost like what Amazon has done and some of the other FANGs, traded in a very tight range. And just post-earnings, this thing busted out of its range to the upside, has now pulled back to the top of the range that it's been in. I think this is an absolute opportune time to get in Microsoft, even though it's trading at these lofty levels.
I love Microsoft.
Well, okay. Okay, yeah. And Kenny's like, I love me some Microsoft too.
Get me in.
Guys, have a good weekend. But it is, as we said, the last trading session of the month.